channel. So for today's video, so this will be a vlog and I will be going to Janpat. So we will be going to CP and then Janpat maybe we'll explore and maybe Chandni Chowk also. I don't know, I'm not so sure. And today I have someone with me and you all already know him.
Hello guys.
So we are sitting in Dunkin Donuts right now. I have heard a lot about it. और अभी we are having what Dunkin Chino something we are having. So अभी we are having cold coffee and अभी का time है. I'll have it and I'll let you know how I feel about it if the hype is worth it. So yeah, I'm so excited. Also I'll show you my fit after some time. ऐसे जब हम वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे I'll show you. I love my fit, not my hair though. Anyways, bye.
So the hype is worth it or not?
No. तुम हमेशा यही क्यों करते हो?
ऐसी
खाने नहीं पर स्नैप बनाना है।
आहा,
बहुत बढ़िया।
तुम दूसरों को पागल क्यों बनाते हो? यहाँ तुम ये खा रहे हो।
मैं
स्पीचलेस।
आज ही खा रहा हूँ यार।
क्या?
मैं हमेशा रहता हूँ ऑन डाइट, सिर्फ आज खा रहा हूँ मैं खाना।
कुछ भी सुंदर नहीं है। Are you excited?
I am always excited
चुप ही रहो। हेलो।
हेलो।
अब ये हो ना जाए फिर से।
ओके।
ये हाथ जो तुम
1 किलोमीटर आगे।
1 किलोमीटर?
यस। बट वी कैन रिड्यूस द डिस्टेंस।
ये देखो, यहाँ से ऐसे
यहाँ
कुछ
से
नहीं।
जाएंगे उल्टे हाथ पे। ओके, आ जाओ।
Alright, so we reached CP and opposite of Bagot you'll find the entry towards Palika Bazaar, which we did not cover because I was overexcited to go to Janpat. Moving on, there you can see the exact location of Janpat Market. It's opposite 24/7 and pinned Baluchi restaurant. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is it. You can see it in the video. क्या बोले तुम? वापस से बोलो।
ये छोटू सा मार्केट है जनपद का।
यार ये स्टार्टिंग है ना अभी। Also I haven't been to Janpat अभी तक एक बार भी, तो let's see how it goes.
ओके।
Okay, so we entered, and I won't lie, we did regret going there in these times. Now that we had the third wave coming, you all can 100% avoid going to such crowded places. I would not recommend. Moving on, as far as I know, there is only one entry to Janpat Market. You'll see a lot of stalls even before the main entry gate. Now that the winters are here, I saw a lot of coats, blazers, pullovers, cardigans ranging from rupees 300 to 1000. The prices are high if compared to Sarojini, and even the collection was not that impressive at all. Nothing out of the box, I would say. Jeans collection was not at all trendy. I loved this maroon coat, but the shopkeeper quoted rupees 850 for this. I wouldn't say that it wasn't worth it, but I can surely get the same thing under rupees 400 in Sarojini Nagar. It wasn't a very long lane, marking the end at this new Bookland store. At the end of the market, you'll see a lot of options for junk jewelry and sunglasses. Wait for a while and I'll let you know how I feel about that. Hi guys, so I'm done exploring Janpat and you can see the market ऐसे पीछे है. But to be very honest, I did not really like it because एक तो वन कलेक्शन इतना ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं, ज़्यादा कुछ देखने के लिए नहीं है. टू आई डिड नॉट फाइंड एनी एथनिक पीसेस जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. ऑल्दो विंटर्स हैं बट देन टू. एंड वॉट द प्राइसेस आर हाई इफ़ कम्पेयर टू सरोजनी. ज़्यादा बारगेनिंग का स्कोप नहीं है. आई रियली लाइक्ड सनग्लासेस का कलेक्शन बट अगेन प्राइसेस आर हाई. इयररिंग्स में आई एम नॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड बट देन टू कुछ ऐसा खास नहीं था कि आउट ऑफ नो वेयर. सो आई वुड गिव दिस वॉट मे बी a 5. Yeah, that is it. I did not really like it and I don't see myself coming again in winters at least. Summers में we'll explore again and see what the collection is all about. Either you will get a lot of coats and pullovers. Pullovers और coats और cardigans मेरे को ज़्यादा दिखे but बहुत expensive, बहुत ज़्यादा expensive. So yeah, now that we're done exploring Janpat, I guess we'll go to where?
पराठे वाली गली.
हाँ, वील गो टू चांदनी चौक और वहाँ पे पराठे वाली गली है, वो बहुत फेमस है. मैं कभी नहीं गई हूँ. सो वील गो देयर एंड सी व्हाट द हाइप इज़ ऑल अबाउट. आज सारे हम हाइप्ड जगह जा रहे हैं. एक तो डंकिन डोनट्स, व्हाट जनपथ, नो, एंड देन मूविंग ऑन टू पराठे वाली गली. लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज. Mainly famous for fancy and elegant lights, basic or decorative, Chandni Chowk is also Asia's largest market for electronics and electrical goods. Its speciality is its variety and authenticity, food delicacies and sweets of more than 1,000 kinds, saris with chicken curry and zari. I was super excited for Parathe Wali Gali. It's a narrow street in Chandni Chowk noted for its series of shops selling paratha, but it was such a bummer. Number 1, it was so narrow, made me feel claustrophobic. Number 2, not at all hygienic. Everyone was sitting so close to each other, no precautions whatsoever. We had to leave as soon as we entered because it was so suffocating. If you are someone who cannot eat in such conditions, I wouldn't recommend this place to you. Even I don't see myself going there. I did not eat anything, so wouldn't comment on the hype. Narrow lanes host shops that sell books, clothing, electronics, consumer goods, shoes, and leather goods. Highly disappointed with Chandni Chowk, Parathe Wali Gali,